How to create an account in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded, go to your Play Store, search for Grab, and install it. Once installed, launch the app. On the welcome screen, you will see an option to either log in or create a new account. Tap on the sign up button to get started. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone number, or you can also continue with your email. Here I am going with mobile. Make sure you enter a valid number because you will receive a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. After that, you will be asked to provide some personal details like your name. Once you fill in all the necessary details, you are all set. You can now use Grab to order food, book ride services, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to create an account in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.